Uncle, what are you doing with so many cables? This is not right.
What? I'm just fixing the internet. What do you mean?
Auntie, I'm just installing internet for...
Not stealing cables.
Sorry.
2,000 years later.
还没做好啊，进来喝水先。
We brought something special for Ama this year. This is Thunderbird. Just plug and play, and we got 5G internet for the house